Good morning, everyone. So, today we will discuss an important and interesting topic, that is arithmetic progression. Before going on the topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Praveen Kumar and I am from district Kannauj, also known as Itr Ki Nagari. As far as my studies are concerned, I did my schooling from Army School and then I did BCA from Kanpur University and then MCA from Allahabad University. I also worked with few companies like Dell, Wipro, and in the training session, I got inspired or I got passionate about teaching. And from that day only, I start teaching. At present, I have 5+ year experience for this. So let's begin with our topic. Our topic is arithmetic progression. You can see on the screen, and its short form is AP. So what we will discuss in this video, our agenda is, first of all, we will discuss the introduction of arithmetic progression, then real life usage, then common terms used in AP, and then formulas, and then we will do questions. And I also give you the homework. So let's begin. Introduction of AP is like an arithmetic progression is a sequence where the difference between every two consecutive terms are same. Remember this thing, the difference between the consecutive terms remains same. Let me give you one example. See there, we have one AP like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 100. Let me take any two consecutive term, like if I take 1 and 2, and let's differentiate them. So 2 minus 1 is we get 1. Then let's take any other two consecutive term like 4 or 5. Again differentiate them, means subtract them. So 5 minus 4, again you will get 1. In this way, you can say that this is an AP. See the one more example, 100, 70. If you subtract them, 70 minus 100. Remember one thing, always subtract in this way. This is your second term, this is your first term. Always remember, subtract second term minus first term. And we call this a common difference. Fine. So in this way, see there, 70 minus 100, you will get minus 30. Then 40 minus 70. 40 minus 70, again you will get the same result, minus 30. So in this way, you can say this is an AP. So we have two kinds of AP. One is finite AP and second one is infinite AP. Finite AP has limited terms. Remember this thing, it has limited term. Limited term in this way, like we have first example is a limited term example. We know that it starts from 1 and it's end at 100. Unlimited term, second one is an example of unlimited term. It starts with 100, but it will go up to minus infinite. So see here, this is also an example of AP. Our first term is A. Whatever we are writing in our AP as a first term, we named it as A. And then D is your common difference. I told you already that second term minus first term is your common difference and we name it as D. So see here, this is your 10, then this is A plus D means 10, and here the common difference is 10. So your next term is 20. Again, you will add it 10 with this, you will get next term 30. So by this way, this is also an arithmetic progression. So in real life, we have, if we are writing like 2 into 1, we are getting 2. Then we are adding 2 plus 2, we are getting 4. That means 2 into 2. Then 2 into 3, we are getting 6. How it comes 4 plus 2. This is also a real life example when you are writing in table of a number. So that is a real life example. Similarly, we have few more examples like if we are saving money in an equal installment, like recurring deposit. Might be you remember this, recurring deposit. In each month, we are depositing some amount and then bank will give some interest on this. And again, in the same way, second example is also there. You can read it and etc. Then move on. The next one, common terms used in AP. So see here, as I already told you, A is your first term. You can speak with me, first term. Then D is your common difference. And how you will get common difference? Subtracting second term and like second term minus first term. This is your common difference. Then we have one more, that is AN. Fine, we are finding the value of a number which is placed at the nth position. We call it as AN. Then we have SN when we are finding a sum of n terms in this way. Fine, and then we have a L. We called it as a last term of our AP. See here, few formulas which we have to remember here. First is, for example, we have one AP like A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. In this way, for example, we have an AP and name this AP. This is what kind of finite or infinite AP? This is infinite AP. Remember this thing. Fine. So if we want to find the nth term, what formula we have to use? We have to use this formula, AN equals to A plus n minus 1D. Here this A is your first term, n is the position or the nth term, and D is your common difference. In the same way, if you are finding sum of a number, like if we are writing 1, 2 and 3. For example, we have this AP. So if we are adding all of these numbers, so we are getting a result 6. So if we have AP like 1, 2, 3, we are using this formula and we will get this result. Fine. We have one question like which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 up to 78. So we have to find the nth position of this value, that is 78. So I think I told you this formula, A plus n minus 1D. What is your an at present? That is 78. What is your a? That is 3 plus what is your n? We have to find here d. Fine. So find the d. Let's take this pair, 2 consecutive term, and 8 minus 3 is 5. Again, let's check with these two numbers. So 18 minus 13, again we are getting 5. So d is your 5. Is it clear? Now 78 minus 3 equals to n minus 1, and you are multiplying it with 5. So 78 minus 3 is 75. Now divide it by 5 because this 5 is multiplied here. If you push it to the second side, so it gets divided, and you are here n minus, you are writing n minus here. Subtract, dividing this thing. So 15 5 is 75. So you will get result 75 and n minus 1. Again, this minus 1 is here. If you push to the next side, it will get added and your result will become 16. So this is your answer. N equals to 16. 78 is at 16th position in this AP. Now I am giving you one more question. This is your homework, which is AP is 2, 4, 6, 8. So first of all, find that this is an AP or not. You know this. Simply second term minus first term. If you get the same result, then you will answer it as a AP. And then this is 78, and you have to find at which position this 78 will lie in this AP. Is it clear? Now let's move on a summary. What we discussed here. We have one arithmetic progression, and what is arithmetic progression? It is a sequence of number where the difference between the two consecutive terms are same. By this way, we defined it as an AP, and first term we call it as A, and then next term we are adding plus D, then next term A plus 2D, and in this way. I think now this topic is clear to you. In the next topic, we will discuss few more questions. Thank you for watching.